Welcome to you all to Antitronics. In today's video, I am going to show you how to create a Firebase based web app that can control 3 GPIO pins of the ESP32 through the internet. Before we jump into the tutorial, let me quickly show you the final output so you can understand what we are going to build. In our previous video, we have learned how to use the Firebase Realtime Database to control ESP32 GPIO pins by manually changing the values directly inside the database. But today, we will do the same thing much more smartly using a web app. Just look here. I am logging to my personal created control panel. After successful login, we are looking that there are 3 buttons. With just a single click on a button, the corresponding GPIO pin will turn on or off automatically, and the command will be sent through the internet using Firebase. Look here, I am using mobile data, not Wi-Fi. That means we can do the same thing from anywhere of the world. So let's get started and build this smart web-based controller step by step. Before going to the main tutorial, here I am just describing the pin connection. I am using 3 GPIO pins, 12, 13 and 14, and all the positive leg of the LEDs goes to the GPIO pin and all the negative legs goes to the ground. If you want to use relay, just replace the LED and place the relay data line on the GPIO pin. Okay, now let's move to the computer to make the web app. Okay, now we will create the web app. For that, at first we need to go to this GitHub link. Here I have shared all the necessary file we need to make the web app. Now go to your Firebase console and create a new project. Give a project name. Suppose I am giving the project name as Home Automation. Now click on continue. Continue. Disable the Google Analytics and create project. Okay, the Firebase project is ready. Continue. Now go to the build section and click on authentication. Get started. Click on email password. Enable this and click on save. Now come back to the users tab. Click on add user. Give an email address and give a password. Then click on add user. We can note down the email address and the password we have set for this user, and also we will get the user ID, copy this and keep it in the notepad. We will need it further. Now go to the build section again and click on real-time database. Click on create database. Select the database near from your location. I am selecting Singapore. Click on next. Select start in test mode, then click on enable. Okay, our database is ready. Now we need to create a table under this database. To create the table, from the GitHub link I have shared in my video description, download the JSON file, web app database.json. Just download the file. Now come back to the Firebase Realtime Database. Then click on 3-dot icon. Click on import JSON. Now we need to select the downloaded file. This is our downloaded file, web app database. Just open it and click on import. It will automatically create a table. Here we are looking, there are 3 nodes, GPIO1, GPIO2 and GPIO3. Okay, now we need to create a rules to read and write in the database. For that, go to the rules tab. Then we need to come to the GitHub link again and click on the rules.txt. Copy the rules or download it. Open the rules.txt file. Here we need to paste our user ID. Our user ID is this. Copy the user ID, paste it here and here. Now copy the full rules and come back to the real-time database rules tab. Delete all the previous text and paste our new text we have copied and click on publish. Okay, database rules updated. Now we need to create a web app. For that, click on the gear icon and click on project settings. Now here we will find out the web. Click on web, give a app name. Suppose I am giving it home automation app. Then click on register app. Okay, our web app is already ready. Click on continue to console. Now if we come back in the project setting again and scroll down to the bottom side, you will get the config file where the API key and the database URL already we are looking here. We will need it. Now we will upload the code to our ESP32. For that, go to the GitHub link and open the Firebase Web App GPIO control.ino. Copy the full code. Open your Arduino IDE. Paste the code here. We just need to change some information. Here we need to give our Wi-Fi name and Wi-Fi password, and here we need to give our web API key. Our web API key is this. Copy and paste it here. Then also we need to paste the database URL here. So where is our database URL? Our database URL is this. Copy it and paste it here. We also need to provide our user email, which user we have created a few seconds ago. Copy the user email and paste it here. Also, we need to give the password here. This is our user password. Okay. Now just change your Wi-Fi name and Wi-Fi password. I will change it for my network. Then go to the tool section, click on board, then click on ESP32, and here we need to select ESP32 dev module. And from the port section, we need to select our USB port. Then just click on upload. Okay, our code has successfully uploaded to the ESP32. Now we just need to create an web app and need to publish it on a hosting. For that, I will use the GitHub for hosting our web app without any kind of charge. Now go to the GitHub link I have provided in my video description, and we need to download 3 files from this. The file is index.html, style.css, and the app.js. From these 3 files, we need to edit the app.js file. For that, go to the downloads folder. Here we don't need this. We don't need these 2 files anymore. We only need these 3 files: index.html, style.css, and app.js. Open the app.js file in your code editor. Now we need to just replace the Firebase configuration file. Go to the Firebase database and click on the gear icon again and go to the project setting. Now scroll down, and we need to copy the full text from this and copy it. Then we need to just replace here a lot of enter. Okay, we have just copied the API key, authentication, domain database URL, the same thing, copied from here. Now just save the app.js file. Okay, we don't need to do anymore. Now we need to create an account in github.com. Go to the github.com website and click here for sign up if you are new in GitHub. Then create an account you providing your email. I am directly creating the account using my email address. Okay, here now when I need to just provide a username. Here I am giving Antitronics and a country. Click create account. Okay, our GitHub is now ready. Now click on the plus icon, create new, and select new repository. Here give a name. Suppose I am giving the name as home automation app. Keep it public and click on create repository. Okay, now just click on upload an existing file. Select all the 3 files we have downloaded. Okay, the file uploaded. Now click on commit changes. Okay, we have uploaded our source code for our web app. Now we just need to deploy our web app. For that, click on settings, then go to the pages option. Here we need to select the source as deploy from a branch. From the branch section, click on main and keep it as root. Then click on save. Now we need to wait for 1 or 2 minutes. Then we will reload this page again. We will get our deployed link here. Just wait 1 minute. Okay, after reloading the page, we have got our web app link. Now we just need to copy the web app link, paste it here, and then copy the main domain name here. This is my username and this is .github.io, and the full thing from my username to .io. This is our main domain. Copy this domain, go to your Firebase account, then click on authentication, go to the settings, click on authorized domains. Here click on add domain and paste the domain here. Sorry, I have made a mistake. We need to copy the full things from username to .io and click on add. Okay, now if we go to this link, just copy the link and go this. Here we are asked to provide email and password. Which email and password? Of our user. Then the user email address is that and our password is that. Now click on login. Okay, this is our control panel. Here we are looking 3 buttons. If I click on button 1, we are looking that our red LED is turned on. If I click on button 2, our green LED turned on, and if I click on button 3, we are looking that our third LED or blue LED also turned on. And if I turned off them again, we are looking that all the 3 LED turned off. So guys, I think all of you understand how to create a web app using Firebase and GitHub. If you like this kind of video, please subscribe my channel. I will try to share more tutorial on Firebase and IoT related project. Thanks for watching this video.